Good day, friends, and welcome to another episode of Tinkercad TV. Once again, friends, these episodes are designed to entertain and inspire, so let's get cracking. Friends, today's design comes from Graphic Volcano. Oh my gosh, this is epic. I'm going to hide the notes for a moment. I'm also going to click on the settings. Let's get rid of the grid. You can cancel that out by hitting the X and get a better view of this vehicle. Oh my gosh, the Zexfoss, the GTOI4TT Turismo. That is awesome. This thing is so awesome. Let's see what Graphic Volcano put in the notes. Alright friends, so first things first, we have got the side exit exhaust. If we look down inside here, I'll hide that. There are quick response pedals. That's super cool. It has got a high performance steering wheel. Notice we can zoom in and check this all out. Absolutely love the cutouts on the steering wheel and the stick shift. It has a 6-speed manual transmission. Right here we've got the volts, oil, fuel, and water temp indicator lights. This has a digital speedometer. Oh my gosh, love the details on that. And right here we've got a huge NOS canister, so it has more spunk. Love the dial on that too. Oh my gosh, so many cool details. That is awesome. Love those wheels as we spin around. Check out the bumper and that fin for aerodynamics. Also right here we have got vents for airflow. Graphics Volcano estimates that this project has taken him more than 16 hours. One fun thing about it is I've seen lots of edits because he is part of the Tinkercad community Discord. I'm going to turn off those notes again for one more look. Oh my gosh, Graphic Volcano, this is a fantastic project, and thank you so much for taking time to share. Friends, remember, if you ever make something awesome and want to share it with me, it is so simple. Click this button, generate a link, and then copy that link. And then you can reach out and share it with me. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, and TikTok. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HL Tinkercad. Of course, if those options don't work for you, don't forget you also have HLModTech.com. I have got the sweet webpage dedicated to Tinkercad, and then down at the bottom, a sweet messaging tool. You can add your question, comment, or suggestion and reach out to me almost instantly. Friends, I do also want to highlight the Tinkercad community Discord. As you can see, there are more than 400 members, and it is a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Please also remember we have the designer showcase with tons of amazing profiles. Friends, when you click on these, you'll instantly see the designs of all the users sorted by likes. I always like to remind you it's pretty cool to sort by recent. Of course, if you do see something you think is awesome, make sure you give it a reaction. Finally, friends, if you have something you think I should be showing on Tinkercad TV, don't forget there is a request a shout out button on this website. Of course, if you need a tutorial, it's included as well. Friends, as I wrap up this episode of Tinkercad TV, I want to say thanks again to Graphic Volcano. Oh my gosh, your design skills are awesome, and it's so cool that you took time to share your design with us. And of course, friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.